Hello and welcome to this video on hand safety and injury prevention. Hand injuries can happen in the blink of an eye, but their impact can last a lifetime. That's why it's so important to prioritize hand safety in the workplace. To keep your workers safe, it's important to have a plan in place and provide proper training. Companies with good safety records not only provide the right tools for the job, they also have appropriate safeguards in place for sharp objects, moving parts, and automated machines. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, over 100,000 workers in private industry suffered hand injuries in 2020. Of these injuries, 43% occurred in three high-risk industries: manufacturing, natural resources and mining, and agriculture, forestry, fishing, and hunting. Prevention is especially important in these industries, where workers may be using dangerous tools and machines with pinch points, rotating parts, hot and cold spots, or automation. Pinch points can catch body parts between two moving objects, while rotating equipment can grab loose clothing or rings and cause amputation. Hot spots in machinery can cause serious burns, and cold spots can cause extreme cold burns in refrigeration systems. Automation can also be dangerous, as machines can start unexpectedly and catch hands if a worker is not paying attention. The most common types of hand injuries include bruises, pinches, lacerations, abrasions, strains, amputations, dislocations, carpal tunnel syndrome, and Raynaud's disease. Recovery from an injury like a deep cut can affect a worker's daily life for months. One simple tip for preventing hand injuries is to require everyone to remove their rings on a job site. Take the story of Robert Whitfield, for example. Robert was an Air Force employee who was asked to check a connection in an aircraft bay while wearing his wedding ring. As he jumped down from the bay, his ring caught on an object and severely damaged the bone and tissue, resulting in a partial amputation. Robert's accident led to new policies and training in his workplace, but the complications from his injury drastically altered his quality of life. He had a painful recovery period and financial issues that almost caused him to lose his home. Now, 30 years later, Robert works as a corporate safety specialist, sharing his story and teaching others how to keep their healthy hands. As Robert's story illustrates, it's important to train your team to avoid potential hazards. The first step is to ensure that employees know the hazards involved with their job and how to avoid them. As a manager, supervisor or HSE, it's your job to put systems in place to prevent common causes of serious injury, such as human error due to distraction and complacency, hazardous conditions and equipment, and inadequate training. By following proper safety procedures, wearing the right protective gear, and being aware of potential hazards, you can help prevent serious hand injuries in your workplace. Thank you for watching.